Question 9. 2y plus 5 by 3 equal to 26 by 3 minus y. Now, to solve this equation, for that first we should get rid of the denominators. To remove the denominators, we should take LCM of them. So here the denominators present are 3 and 3. So the LCM we should take of 3 and 3. 3 ones 3, 3 ones 3. So the LCM is 3. Now with this LCM we should multiply each term. What I mean is into 3, into 3, into 3, into 3. Now 2y into 3, 2 into 3, 6y as it is, plus 3 cancel out, we get 5, equal to, here 3 cancel out, we are left with 26, minus y into 3, 3y. So here we don't have any more denominators left. Now here we have y, here also y. All the y terms should be on one side. For that we should remove minus 3y from here. To remove minus 3y, you add 3y on both sides. Now 6y plus 3y is 9y plus 5 equal to 26. Minus 3y plus 3y cancel out. Now we should remove plus 5. To remove plus 5, you subtract 5 on both sides. So plus 5 minus 5 cancel out, you get 9y equal to 26 minus 5, 21. Now to get y, we should remove 9. So to remove 9, we should divide by 9. So this cancel out, here y and here 3 7s, 3 3s. So y equal to 7 by 3 is our answer. Now to check LHS is 2y plus 5 by 3 equal to, in place of y, now you write 7 by 3. So 2 into 7 by 3 plus 5 by 3, that is equal to 2 into 7 is 14 by 3 plus 5 by 3. Now denominators are same, so add the numerators. 14 plus 5, 19 by 3. Now RHS is 26 by 3 minus y equal to, now in place of y we should write 7 by 3. So 26 by 3 minus 7 by 3. Denominators are same, so subtract the numerators. 26 minus 7, 19 by 3. We got these two same, that is LHS equal to RHS. So the answer we got is correct. Next, 10th one. 3m equal to 5m minus 8 by 5. Now in this equation, first we should remove the denominator. Here the denominator is 5. To remove this denominator, you multiply by 5 to each term. Multiplying with 5 is your step 1. Next, 3 into 5, 15m equal to 5 into 5, 25 m minus 5 cancel out, we get 8. Now we have m term present here and also on this side. So we should bring all the m terms on one side. For that, we should remove plus 25m from this side. So to remove plus 25m, you subtract 25m on both sides. So 15m minus 25m will result in minus 10m equal to plus 25m minus 25m cancel out, you are left with minus 8. Now to get m, we should remove minus 10. So to remove minus 10, you divide by minus 10. So here it cancel out, you are left with m. And on this side cancel negative, then 2 table, 2 4s, 2 5s. So we got m equal to 4 by 5 is our answer. Now to check, take LHS is 3m, that is 3, in place of m we write this 4 by 5, that is 3 into 4, 12 by 5. Now RHS is 5m minus 8 by 5 equal to 5 into, in place of m we write this 4 by 5 minus 8 by 5, that is equal to, here if we cancel 5, we get 4 minus 8 by 5. Now we should take LCM. LCM is 5. So here we should multiply by 5. So 4 into 5, 20. Minus here no need to multiply 8 as it is. So we get 12 by 5. We got these two same. That is LHS equal to RHS. LHS equal to RHS, that confirms our answer is correct.